In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect interactive brokers to TradingView. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradingView's official website, and then you want to sign in or sign up for an account if you don't have one yet, and then hover over Products up top and click on Supercharts. Now this will take you to TradingView's Supercharts, and this is basically where you can go ahead and connect it. So it's going to look like this the first time you see it, and down here at the bottom left, it's going to say Trading Panel. Simply click on Trading Panel, and it's going to pop it up. If it doesn't, just click on this button to the far right to maximize the panel, and then in here you can basically connect through their trusted brokers. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones, and here on the list you should be able to see interactive brokers. If you don't see it, click on Show All Brokers, and you can even go up top right and search for interactive. There we go. As you can see, they're over here. You want to click on it, and then from here it's going to say IBKR side maintenance. So for me over here, there's a scheduled maintenance, but for you, this basically won't be happening in case there's a maintenance. So we can just go ahead and you'll see this page, and on this page you can just click on Connect, and this is going to take you to IB's official website where you can basically log into your account, either live or paper, and then you can just basically confirm and approve, and that way you'll be able to connect your IB account to basically TradingView, and you can go ahead and start using it right on here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.